Hello everybody. Today I want to tell you something more about Picanol's latest development in draper technology for weaving coating fabrics. During the ITMA exhibition in Barcelona 2019, Picanol has already shown a 4m60 machine with free flight application for weaving coating fabrics. Needless to say that this has really caught the interest of many weavers who are active in weaving technical textiles. From the positive feedback we received during the ITMA exhibition, we've noticed that there is a requirement for wider width free flight applications. So we started working on that. And in the meantime, we have completed a full testing program for the free flight application up to 5m40 centimeters width.
Indeed, Vincent, we have fully tested this application. During the tested period, we were able to confirm that all necessary fabric quality parameters are satisfactory. And let me show you how we have introduced modern technology to get this done.
Smart performance, maximum performance under all circumstances. So, the ideal machine for weaving coating fabrics is now available in free flight and all widths. So as you might have noticed, Picanol is growing together with its customers. But for now, I must bid you farewell, and I pass on the Let's Grow Together logo to the next one.